Hi guys, welcome back to AJJ Creations. So today we're not gonna do some Roblox stuff, so we're gonna do something different. And then what we're gonna do is actually know the meanings of words. So when I was saying this, you guys will think no, it's really boring and stuff. So but then we're actually not like knowing words are really hard. Like I'm sure you guys would know what cat or what dog and something means, but have you guys ever typed that up in the internet to know what the meaning is? So that's what we're gonna do today. So let's see what hilarious descriptions are Google gonna give us. So here we are, we typed up cat, and this is what the description says. It says the meaning. It says a small domesticated carnivorous mammal with soft fur, a short snout, and a retractable claws. It is widely kept as a pet for catching mice, and many breeds have been developed. So that's what it says. Pretty much, I thought it's gonna probably say it has 4 legs, it has eyes, but that's like gonna be a really weird meaning. Let's type of dog. Oh, it says kind of the same thing. It is a domesticated carnivorous mammal that typically has a long snout, an acute sense of smell, non-retractable claws, and a barking, howling, or whining. Okay, sorry, I literally can't read right now. Okay. What else? What else are the words we can type up? Let's try horse. I know we're typing up animals, but then we can try other things too. So a large plant-eating domesticated mammal. So they're all describing the same word, okay? So you guys want to see what the meaning of this word is? If you guys don't know, that's what we're doing. I'm sure all of these words you guys are familiar with. So this is what you guys mean. Let's go back. So what else should we know? Let's see. Okay, let's do just a casual word. It's the condition that wow, there is so much description for life. Okay.
Life.
Yep, we're doing life, and that was so much. Okay, let's just type up body. What's body? How can you say body? The physical structure including the bones, flesh, and organs of a person or an animal.